Hello students, in this video we are going to learn sum of first n terms of an AP. To find out this we have some set of formulas. Let us learn that. First formula is the sum of the first n terms of an AP is given by Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the first formula. Then here the previous formula we are having 2a, no, that we can split and write a plus a plus a equal to 2a, you know, right? So like that we can split and write. So you will get, I have shown in red, no, so we can write that formula. What is that formula? That is an. Okay, a plus n minus 1 into d, that can be written as an. Okay, then now if we have only n terms in an AP, then an equal to L, that is the last term L. Okay, so if you know the first term and last term of an AP, then the sum of the terms can be found out by the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. Okay, so a is first term, L is last term. With that n by 2 into a plus L, with that formula we can find out the sum of the terms. Okay, so we need to memorize this formula. With this we can solve the problems of exercise 1.3 in your page number 20. So let's start a first problem. Find the sum of the following APs. So it's given 2, 7, 12, so on to 10 terms. Okay, so for given data, a equal to 2, that is first term is 2. Okay, n equal to 10, that is also given in the question, 10 terms, so the n is equal to 10. Common difference we have to find out, d equal to a2 minus a1. So second term minus first term if you do, that is 7 minus 2 if you do, we will get d value as 5. Next formula, we have to write the formula, Sn formula you have to write. Then substitute the values of a, n and d in the formula. Okay, so n by 2, that is 10 by 2 you have to write. Then 2a, 2 into 2, okay, plus n minus 1, so that we are writing as 10 minus 1 into d, d value is 5. Like this you have to substitute in the formula. Then 2 into 2 is 4. Then 10 minus 1 is 9 into 5, you have to write like this. Okay, first we have to do the multiplication. By Bodmer's rule we have to do the multiplication first, then only addition. So 9 into 5 is 45, then 45 plus 4, so we are getting 49 here. So 5 into 49 equal to 245 Sn. So the sum of first n term is equal to 245. Okay, understood? Then next in the same problem, subdivision 2, minus 37 comma minus 33 comma minus 29 to 12 terms. Okay, so here also first term is a equal to 37, then n is equal to 12, then common difference d equal to a2 minus a1 we have to find out. So minus 33 minus 37, so minus is there, so that will become plus. Okay, minus into minus will be plus, so you are writing plus 37 here. So you will get answer d value as 4. Okay, then formula, then in the formula you have to substitute the value. Then after solving you will get S12 equal to minus 180. Okay, this is very similar to the first problem. It's very easy to find out. Okay, so the remaining problems which I didn't work out here, you have to do it as your homework. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Coming to the second problem, find the sums given below. Okay, so 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on till 10. Okay, this is the AP given, so you have to find out the sum of the AP. So a is 34, that is first term is 34, then nth term an or the last term is 10. Okay, the term is we know that it is 10. Common difference we have to find out, a2 minus a1 equal to 32 minus 34 equal to minus 2. Okay, then we don't know what is n. Okay, nth term we know, but we don't know what is n. So we have to find out that first. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In this formula, if you substitute, we can find out the value of n. First you have to find the value of n. So substitute it. So an equal to 10. Okay, that's last term is there, no? So an is equal to 10. Then first term 34 plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 2. Okay, so then this 34 from this side of the equal to other side of equal to, if you take it, it will go in minus. So we are getting minus 24 here. Minus 24 equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 you are multiplying inside. Okay, sorry, you have to take it to the other side of equal to, so it will go in division. Okay, so minus 24 divided by minus 2 equal to 12 we will get. So minus minus will cancel, that's why you are getting 12. 12 equal to n minus 1. So 13 is the n value. Okay, so with this n value, okay, we have n value, a we know, and last term l also we know. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, so substituting the values, you will get answer as 286. Okay, then next problem, minus 5, minus 8, minus 11, so on till minus 230. Okay, so first term is 5, then last term is minus 230. D value we have to find out, minus 8 minus minus 5. Okay, minus minus will come plus, so you will get minus 3 as D value. Then we don't know n value, so we have to find out by the help of an formula. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the values. Okay, so we will get n value as 76. Okay, so 76 is the n value, so put that in the formula of Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l. So if you put that in the formula, you will get Sn value as minus 8930. Okay, then third problem, in an AP given a equal to 5, d equal to 3, an equal to 50, find n and Sn. Okay, so given data we should write. So a is 5, d is 3, and an is 50. Okay, so we need to find out n. So use the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so you will get n value as 16. Okay, substituting all these value, an 50, no, so 50 equal to a value is 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. Okay, so 5 if you minus from 50, you will get 45. Then 3 which is in multiplication, it will go by for division in the other side of equal to. So 45 by 3 is 15. So n minus 1 equal to 15. So n is equal to 16 we will get. Then again substitute in the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. Okay, substitute the values, you will get Sn value as 440. Okay, that's all for this video. I'll continue exercise 1.3 in the next video. Thank you, children.